Hello, in this video I'm gonna show the productivity tricks on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Okay, so let's begin. So the first feature I'm gonna show you is the split screen mode. So basically, to enter the split screen mode, first let's get into one app. As an example, I will use the calculator. And the second app will be Notes. So now, how to enter the split screen mode, we need to get into the recent apps. And now let's hold the one app, we can place it on the top or on the bottom. So let's say the Notes will be on the top. And now we got the calculator on the bottom. So basically it is a cool feature when you don't want to, switch between the apps and waste time. You can do those both things. I mean, typing and counting at the same time. You can simply create a new note, type something, then fast switch, and then again count. Let's say that you're counting your taxes in here, and you're counting them and you want to save them really quick. You just click on copy, quickly paste, and you can save a little bit of a time by using this split screen mode. So I recommend you to try it by yourself. Also, let's get back to the Notes, I will say. And in here also you can change those apps. You can change the side. Now it's calculator is on the top. Now it's on the bottom. So it's a nice feature. Also, now we can get rid of this and let's get only into the Notes. Let's create a new one. And in here we also have the AI options, which provides convenient solutions. The AI is these 2 stars. And as you can see, we have the spelling and grammar, writing style, composer, and also the translate. Okay, so now I'm gonna type the sentence in the English and the AI will translate it into Polish. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, now let's click on those stars, and click on generate translation. And now as you can see, it has been successfully translated from English into the Polish. Also, we can replace the sentence. And also, let's get back into the translate option. Generate translation from English to Polish. Sorry, from Polish to English. Hi, how are you? And in here we can add more languages, as you can see. We have from Arabic, Chinese, Taiwan, Dutch, English, Australia, Hindi, Indonesian, much of languages. And if you want to use them, you just need to simply download them. It's gonna take a while, so you need to be patient, but the English and Polish are not the only available languages. Okay, so let's switch into English again. And I will show you now the spelling and grammar option. So now, basically, I just asked a question, but I forgot to place the question mark at the end of the sentence. So here comes the spelling and grammar. We can click on it, now show corrections. And as you can see, the AI have seen that I didn't place my question mark and did it for me. So now it's good sentence. Proper sentence, because I forgot the question mark in here. So if you want to, you can replace them, and now we have the complete sentence. So it's really nice feature. Also, we have another AI option, which is called the Bixby. To enter it now, we want to simply hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until we get into this menu, and we click now on the side button settings. Now into the long press. Also, if you want, you can select the digital assistant, but for the Samsung Galaxy S25, it's recommended to use Bixby in my opinion, which is more comfortable. Okay, so let's say I'm hungry and I don't know what to cook today. And I don't know the recipe, but I want to eat beef. Let it be. So I don't need to, search in the internet recipe for the beef for my meal today. I can simply ask AI to do this for me. So that's what I'm gonna do now to show you as an example. Give me a recipe for beef, please. Okay, I can release my finger from the power button now.
Here are some recipes for beef.
And now, as you can see, it has been successfully done by the AI. I have bunch of beef options. So let's say this looks nice. Simply click on it.
Here's how to make beef stir-fry noodle. It takes about 20 minutes to make 4 servings.
Okay, now we have all information, the cooking time also, and the quantity. It will provide the 4 servings. As you scroll down, you can find the ingredients, also the calories, preparation time, cooking time, and also the nutrition facts. Okay, so that's really convenient option and it helps. Also, the cool option is the reminder app. So basically in here you can set a reminder to do something instead of selecting a normal alarm. It's more comfortable to use this app in my opinion. Yeah, so you can type manually what you want to do, but also you can do this by using the AI. So you won't have to do this by yourself. You just give the voice command and the AI will save the reminder. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Set me a reminder to make a laundry, please.
It's saved.
Okay, it heard the piece, not please, but no worries. I provide you that this works nice, but as you can see, I forgot about the hours, so don't worry. In here, we have the name of this reminder, time, no alert, and save to my reminders. But now let's say I want to this alarm at the specific time, this reminder. So I'm gonna ask the question again to the AI. Set me a reminder to do the laundry at 7 p.m. on Friday. I can release my finger now.
Your reminder saved.
Okay, now as you can see, do the laundry tomorrow at 7 p.m. and it has been saved to my reminders. So just to make sure, let's check, is it true? Let's go to the reminder app. And now we have tomorrow, do the laundry, 7 p.m. So it has been successfully saved. Okay, so that's the productivity tricks on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.